This is the SG2 and it's currently in the always on mode. When you tap it, you can light it back up. Everything is working beautifully. We have a swipe down with a lot of brightness control on this one. QR code, battery level, notifications come in from this side. Here's your step count, last night's sleep time, all of the different things you can measure, from heart rate to blood pressure to blood oxygen to a very interesting ECG. You have workout activities you can do and a music player for this one. These are all the different functions you've got, and when you tap it, you get to a different kind of a display as well. Same thing happens for your exercise programs, including a couple of different pages and history report of what you've already done. It's a very sophisticated, nice, thin, top of the line watch with that always on display mode, which is really, really cool. Every single watch face has that built into it. It dims it to a low level and leaves it on. And so far, good battery life as well. Check it out. It's the SG2.